In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Replit. If you've been browsing Replit and wondered how to switch the interface to your preferred language, you might have noticed something. Currently, Replit only offers its interface in English. While this might be limiting for some, there is a way around it using your web browser's translation features. Today, we'll focus specifically on how you can do this in Google Chrome, so let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is open up your web browser and navigate over to replit.com. Once you're there, you'll be able to see the interface as it is in English. Now, our goal is to make this more accessible by changing it to another language. Since Replit doesn't have built-in language options, we're going to use Chrome's built-in translation functionality. Here's how you can do that. Go ahead and right-click anywhere on the page. That will bring up a context menu. In this menu, you should find an option that says Translate to your language. Click on that, and Chrome will attempt to switch the language of the content on the page to one that better suits your needs. Let's say, for example, you want to change the language to Chinese. You've now opened the translation options, and you might see a prompt asking if you'd like to translate the entire page to Chinese. Go ahead and click on that. If seen, there could be a translate bar appearing at the top of the page. On this bar, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click on them. Doing so gives you a series of language preferences. Here, you can manually select which language you prefer by choosing it from the list, like Chinese or any other language you need. Sometimes you might not want the entire page translated, just a particular paragraph or section. In that case, you can highlight the specific paragraph you want to translate. Once highlighted, again, right-click within the highlighted text. You'll see the familiar translate option pop up. Click on Translate to Chinese or whichever language you've chosen, and just that section of text should be translated. For some users, translating the entire page might be necessary. This can be easily done by choosing the option Translate Full Page, which typically appears in the same Translate pop-up area. With these steps, you can effectively read the Replit website in your language of choice, thus facilitating a smoother and more inclusive experience. That wraps up our guide on changing the Replit language using browser translation tools. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this walkthrough useful for navigating Replit in a language that best suits you.